This is my video for Tuesday. So I know that I did my video at my workplace, but it seems like the YouTube didn't manage to, or it didn't manage to get uploaded in the YouTube. And although I see the notification that it is uploaded using my data, it seems like I cannot find it right now, so I'm just a tad bit disappointed in that. And also, when I got home, I did clean my place or my bed and proceed to wash my dishes or wash my clothes, and then I take a sleep. So right now I'm eating healthy. I did visit the doctor and she provided me some medicine that I need to take and a 3-month medication for that, and then I'll be checked again next April for the 3 months. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. That happened on Tuesday, and right now 28 is that when I got home, my brother cooked the vegetable that I bought, so I'm pretty happy because I'm eating vegetable now. And I didn't feel the rest day that I have, or the off day that I have, especially not in the weekend, because when I got home it's Wednesday, and then on the Friday when I got home it's Thursday, and then when what I meant to say is today is Thursday, so it's my free day today or later, and then tomorrow I'll be doing that, so I didn't almost feel like that I have a rest day. And it's currently 4 a.m. in the morning. I'll be washing all the clothes that I have left, not all, but a majority of that, as well as the bed sheets, as well as the pillow sheets. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I will label this one as my 27 and 28, but sadly the 27 didn't manage to get uploaded, but I knew I recorded. I see that it was uploaded using my browser data, but it might be because I turned